yo, what's happening? So it's your girl Money, and I'm back with another banger. So today is my little sister's birthday, and me, my mom. Oh my god, y'all, she's calling me right now. Wait. All right, I'm back. So I just got done talking to her, and I'm gonna make her a cake, and it's gonna look like it's gonna be an ugly cake. That's my niece, y'all. Don't mind my haircut. We just got up or whatever, but we're gonna make her an ugly cake, and my sister that just came out the bathroom, she's going to drop it. She's going to drop it, and we're gonna get her. We're gonna see what the reaction is to her cake. And yeah, don't mind the pillow on the floor. She just put that there. My mom, she's right here. So I'm about to bake the cake now, and we're gonna go from there. Alright, y'all. So I'm back. What we about to do now is go buy 2 cakes. We had changed the plan. So instead of dropping the cake, what we're gonna do is buy 2 cakes, a small one and a big one. And we're gonna act like we had either put our hands on it or we're gonna act like somebody had ate it. And we're gonna have her open it up, and then we're gonna see her reaction to that instead of just dropping the cake. And yeah. So yeah, this is about to be fun. We're gonna go out and get the cake now, both of the cakes now. And yeah, she's trying to be in a video. That's our niece, y'all. Say hi. Say hey, YouTube. So yeah, I'll be right back. Go ahead. I'll be right back when we're in the store. Yeah. Alright, y'all. So she just went in the house to get her clothes on, and I just put this box together as her cake. That's gonna go in here. Oh, this broke. Oh man. But I'm gonna fix this box. She's gonna put the other cake, my sister, in this box, and then y'all see. And I'm about to go set the phone up now and be right back. Where's the other box?
You better come and get it before I open it. Eat, just eat. Boy,
Baby bird, come on, y'all.
You eat it like a cake. Sure.
Happy birthday. I'm sorry.
Go. Happy birthday to you. What? Happy birthday to you. What? Happy birthday, dear Dee Dee. Happy birthday to you. Sorry, we
got a little hungry. Yum yum.
That took forever. Stop biting your nails. Oh. What? Y'all ate. Y'all is greedy. That's fat. Don't ever give me something. Sorry.
You gotta be quicker than that.
I'm ungrateful.
Ungrateful?
I'm so
sorry. I should smack you with this fork. Go eat the rest of your cake.
Well, we left you some shit. This tastes
right. This taste is good.
Here,
it melts in your mouth.
We can tell the whole thing melted in all y'all mouths.
I'm sorry. I'll buy you another one.
Mama, you can't pity me like that. I don't care for no cake.
Just eat it.
It's good. It's jumping.
Who y'all get that from?
Girl, I brought it from a good diner.
Yeah.
I'm not eating that. That looks snit. No, y'all. There's no way y'all just left.
You want some Tink Tink?
Y'all did not just leave that little bit.
Imani ate the half a cake. You see how big her ass is.
Here. Get some cake.
Mm.
You want some cake?
Yeah. Mm-mm.
Here.
Y'all did not just leave.
Girl, that tastes cake. Why is y'all eating her cake up like that?
Yum,
Fuck
yum.
it. You don't want none out.
Oh no.
I'm sorry.
No, just happy. You already done touched the bottom.
It's your 18th
no.
birthday. Here, I'll save you some. You can have.
I got some Tito's for you.
You got an 18th of a cake.
Steve, is these your people?
I'll leave the fork in there for you.
Cheap.
You cheap for not eating it.
Sorry, Didi.
You would
I'll
have
get
did.
You are ungrateful.
I am, because you don't
You
ever
did.
give no people. You never give nobody. You don't even sing happy birthday. And it's a one. This
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dee. Happy birthday to you.
You just got pranked.
Prank.
Yeah.
Capable.
Wait, y'all don't want that cake though?
She's still
Where did y'all get that from? Mom, you keep getting blue like I'm a boy.
Yeah, we back at it with another banger. We done got her for her birthday. Yep, Mom.
Why would you record
Lena.
that?
Say bang. Say
You
bang
did.
bang.
See it right there?
Say
Bang,
bang bang, girl. Say they got me.
Yeah.
Say they got me, girl.
Yeah.
No, because
Let's go.
that's a mess.
Yeah. Hold on. I gotta turn the camera.
I didn't even notice that y'all had. Them is Imani's boxes.
Y'all, that was a good prank. We pranked her.
Mom, put some
Period.
lotion on them knees.
Pum 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 pow. Pum 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 pow.
Y'all ready?
Good job, y'all.
My mama
Come here, today.
She's scared.
Come here.
Because I want to see that little phone.
give her a
How you
kiss.
feeling?
Oh, look at my hair. Get me off that.
All right, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all repost this video.
Aria, come here.
Go get Papa.
And I got y'all with some more
Oh,
pranks.
so you got
Okay.
pictures. It's gonna turn.
Make it easy,